So I came across this information and I figured I wanted to share it. I know a lot about being a single dad and striving to improve daily. Have a listen, let me know what you think.
Being a single dad is a monumental task, one that comes with its own set of unique challenges. You're no longer just a parent, but a provider, a teacher, a mentor, and a friend all rolled into one. Balancing work and parenting responsibilities can be overwhelming, to say the least. Emotions can run high, and feelings of guilt, anxiety, and stress are never far away. Moreover, effective communication with your kids is crucial, but it can be tough to know where to start or how to keep the conversation going. And let's not forget the added pressure of being the sole decision maker, leaving you wondering if you're making the right choices for your children. As a single dad, you're constantly juggling multiple hats, and it's easy to feel like you're dropping the ball sometimes. But here's the thing, you're not alone. There are plenty of single dads out there who are facing the same challenges, and there are plenty of resources available to help you navigate these uncharted waters. So take a deep breath, relax, and know that you're doing your best. That's all anyone can ask for. Parenting as a single dad requires a delicate balance of structure and flexibility. You need to establish routines and boundaries, but you also need to be adaptable and understanding. It's a tough tightrope to walk, but with practice, patience, and persistence, you can find a rhythm that works for you and your kids. Remember, your children look up to you as a role model, so be sure to lead by example and show them what it means to be responsible, respectful, and kind. We'll delve into practical strategies such as establishing routines, fostering open communication, and managing time effectively to enhance your parenting skills. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to tackle some of the most common challenges faced by single dads. From meal prep to bedtime routines, we'll cover it all. Establishing routines is crucial for single dads. Not only does it help your kids feel secure and stable, but it also gives you a sense of control and structure. Start with small, achievable goals, like setting a regular bedtime routine or creating a weekly meal plan. As you get into the swing of things, you can start to build more complex routines and systems that work for you and your family. Communication is key in any relationship, but it's especially important when you're a single dad. Your kids need to feel heard, seen, and understood, and that means taking the time to listen to them, validate their feelings, and offer guidance and support. Don't be afraid to ask for help or advice from friends, family, or professional counselors. After all, parenting is a team effort, even if you're the only adult in the room. Effective time management is another essential skill for single dads. You need to be able to juggle multiple responsibilities, from work and parenting to household chores and personal care. Start by prioritizing your tasks, focusing on the most important things first, and delegating when possible. Don't be too proud to ask for help, and remember to take breaks when you need them. Self-care is crucial for single dads. The turning point is realizing that being present and engaged with your children can significantly impact their emotional well-being and development. It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day tasks and responsibilities, but don't lose sight of what really matters, your relationships with your kids. Take the time to connect with them, to play with them, to read with them, and to just be with them. Being present doesn't mean you have to be perfect, it just means you have to be there. Make eye contact, ask open-ended questions, and show genuine interest in your kids' lives. You don't have to have all the answers, but you do need to be willing to listen and learn. Remember, your kids are watching you, and they'll learn from your example. So be the kind of person you want them to become, patient, kind, and understanding. As your kids grow and develop, they'll face their own set of challenges and struggles. They'll make mistakes, they'll stumble, and they'll fall, but it's how you respond that really matters. Will you be there to catch them, to support them, and to guide them? Or will you be too caught up in your own worries and fears to notice? The choice is yours, and it's a choice you'll make every single day. To make the most of your time with your kids, focus on creating memories, not material possessions. Don't worry too much about the latest gadgets or trends. Instead, focus on building strong, lasting relationships with your kids. Take them on adventures, have deep conversations, and create traditions that will last a lifetime. To wrap up, remember that building a strong relationship with your kids and being proactive in your parenting approach can lead to a fulfilling family life. Don't be too hard on yourself, and don't be afraid to ask for help. You're not alone in this journey. If you found these tips helpful, please leave a comment below and check out our next video on single parenting challenges.
You can check me out on social media and the offer I got going. Those links are in the description. And as always, get in the know with Joe.